everyone, welcome back to Autohaus of Naples. I'm Victoria, and this is a 2016 Mercedes-Benz SL550. Today I'm going to show you why this Grand Touring Roadster has been one of Mercedes' most iconic luxury performance cars for decades. For more information on this car or any of our other cool cars, go to autohausfl.com. Now let's get into it. With just the push of a button, the car transforms from a sleek coupe into a true open-air roadster within seconds. Suddenly, you've got the sound of the V8, the open sky above you, and that feeling is what makes convertibles so special. It's the perfect car for sunset drives along the coast or cruising through Naples with the top down. Mercedes really focused on comfort for the SL. You've got heated and ventilated seats, so it's perfect for any kind of weather. There's also a feature called an air scarf, which is right here, and it blows warm air around your neck when the top is down. Right away, this car has presence. The deep black paint, the long sculpted hood, and the wide stance gives this SL a timeless look. Mercedes has been building the SL line for over 60 years, and it's always represented the perfect balance between luxury and performance. This one is no exception. With just over 51,000 miles and a clean CARFAX, this SL550 has been extremely well cared for, and it feels just as special today as the day it left the showroom. It's really fast. A pocket rocket. I really feel it, like it holds you. I do like that, and I wonder how the AMG drives, because if this is just the SL550, just imagine how the AMG holds. Like, really impressive. And I do notice how it says, I think it was like 450 torque and 500 pounds, or 450 horsepower and 500 pounds of torque. I definitely feel the torque more than the power. It really just pushes you back in the seat. The beauty of the SL550 is that it doesn't feel just fast, it feels refined, and the kind of car that can cruise comfortably all day but still deliver serious performance when you need it. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The SL550 is powered by a 4.7-liter biturbo V8 that produces 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. And when you start this engine, you immediately hear that deep V8 that Mercedes is so well known for. Sunshade that I don't know how that works. It's like tint on command. But it's like purplish. I don't really like that. I like it better when it's like this color, but then it's like a little too bright. It's like there's no closer. There's no like sunroof closer. To compensate. Now let's take a look at this interior because it's really gorgeous. The first thing you notice is the Bengal Red Napa leather, which gives the cabin a real bold and luxurious feel. It's paired with a real wood trim and brushed aluminum accents, and everything inside feels incredibly solid and well crafted. And when it comes to technology, you have Mercedes Command infotainment system, along with Harman Kardon surround sound system that turns the car into a rolling concert hall. If you've been looking for a luxury roadster that delivers power, comfort, and unmistakable style, the wind, it messed me up. The 2016 SL550 might be worth a closer look. It's available here at Autohaus of Naples, or go to autohausfl.com, where we offer financing and shipping worldwide. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and have the bell notifications turned on, because cars like these go very fast. And who knows, the next car I showcase might be your dream car. I'll see you in the next one.